Hey folks, what's going on? Question for you. Have you ever wondered why there's always, well, almost always a disconnect between whatever the customer wants and what the contractor is able to deliver? I think it's this. One, we're always hungry when we arrive, and that means half the things that we talk about goes in one ear, comes out the next. That's if you're not writing. So make sure you have a pad, write everything down. Better yet, record the conversation. Let's take a look at what's happening in the bathroom over here between myself and my wife. Typical contractor-customer relationship. And let's see the things that were deviated from the things that were agreed to and the things that more than likely were over the top where I was not going to be able to deliver and my wife had that expectation. Typical customer-contractor relationship. All right, let's go see. This is going to be so much fun.
Like a line in the center, come down, like the whole basin thing will be the same towel or whatever, but a centerpiece. But if we don't do that, then once it's lined in the center, it can go around like this.
So
we can
down this way to the center, and then this way.
And then around the three walls.
We're tying it to the ceiling.
So the accent piece will run on the three walls. This side.
So those accent pieces are usually not meant for the floor.
It doesn't say so. It comes in the middle, then it will wrap around like that. I know whether we'll do some of the sides like this or not.
I don't get what you mean. It runs from here. Wait.
Here,
it runs from it runs from the ceiling down
to the bottom.
To the bottom, and then goes across this way.
Yes. So I'm saying I don't know if we'll do this, that, and then run it like this, or just come this way here.
What if it's going from top to bottom? Why would you just do here to there?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We need to transfer a half and join it to this end, continue from here, and then run it across.
And what about this part?
So this thing will end up looking like a cross.
We're not trying to do any, what's in here? Anyway, what about this part? I'm just messing with you. So hey, the day's finally come where we have to do this. It's getting to the point where I'm getting sick and tired of seeing these white tiles. My wife is getting sick and tired. So that means I'm getting doubly sick and tired. We need to squash this. If this sounds super echoey in here, the walls are hard and the door's closed. That might be why. Yep. Men siya bonte ho na umpa ba wenfa.
Okay.
Close it and go sit back on the sofa. Go sit back on the sofa. And we're gonna get disturbed a lot. So the primary goal here is to get the doors off, all the of these fixtures. I think I did say the door. And the majority of these tile. We need to strip this down as far back as we can go, studs preferably. But just as everything was put on in one order, we're going the reverse. So the fixtures, the door, all that stuff went in last, so we're gonna take those off first. It's like peeling back an onion. It goes from the inside out. When you wanna chop it, you go a totally different way, and I don't know where I was going with that analogy. But anyway, look at the screws that you're gonna need, and this is definitely not what I need. I need something that is more Phillips but has a square head. So, going back to the drawing board. And that's where having your whole set with you comes in handy. So before you do anything like this, make sure you turn off all your water, all your valves and stuff like that. So this guy, I changed this cartridge a while ago, so I put in a box on the other side of this wall. So there's a shut-off valve, like exactly down here. That's been taken care of, so I don't have to turn off the water to the whole house. All right, I got something That is a little too big. But let's see what we can find out. Let's see what we can find to make this work. It needs to be Phillips, but have a sort of a blunt tip. I think we have something that'll work. But it needs an adapter because this guy is super short. I'm probably gonna have my team of little guys walking in and out of here trying to figure out what I'm doing. It'll be featured every now and then. Alright, so I'm just gonna take I'm gonna go doors off first. Let's see how that goes. Take off as much of this so I can walk in and out freely. Safety first. Better. So I'm about a third down. It's nighttime, so I'm gonna wrap it up. I will be back in the morning to do that. This side, hopefully I'll have more time and be able to make more noise and not hurt myself while I'm at it. But I'm gonna take these large pieces out and hold off on vacuuming, but as much as possible, here, let me show you. As much as possible, this is the goal. Clean straight lines for anything that you're taking off. You're making sure, like, you're checking for structure, check your structure, clean up as you go along. So I'm gonna come back and clean up all that stuff back here. Basin is in good condition. As much as possible, look out for jagged edges. You need to keep the jagged edge music. Watch out for jagged edges. Try to take it off clean if you can, but that's just how they put the cement board in. They put it in sideways instead of lengthwise, which is good. I might have to do that depending on how the orientation of this goes. But I have a few larger pieces to pick up. This guy and especially that. And we'll look out for these nails while I'm at it. So, signing off from this project, Vision Home Renovation, and subscribe.